welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chloe, and today we are going to be doing an awesome video. But before I get started, don't forget to subscribe because I would love to have you here, and I don't want you to miss any of my videos, and of course, I want you to join the family. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make some at-home, easy DIY face masks. I know that this world is a little bit crazy right now, and when going out to the grocery store, I want to make sure that you're safe and you have things around your house that will make you safe and protected. So right now, I'm going to show you a couple easy ways that you can make at-home face masks, not only for you, but your family and your children. You're just going to need a couple of household items. Now, I have some bra pads, from swimsuits, bras that you have, make sure that they are clean. These ones are all clean, or sometimes I just lose my bra pads. Get those. And then if you have any sort of bandanas, I have this because I used to work at Auntie Anne's Pretzels, and then I have this other regular bandana, and also a sock. Now, the most important things are hair ties. Here is the most important part of this entire thing, and it is hair ties. Now, if you have some elastic at home, that's awesome, and you can just do a tiny little knot with a needle, but I unfortunately do not have any elastic, but I do have so many hair ties. So this is gonna come in a lot of handy. That is everything that you're gonna need, so let me just show you how to make them. Now, for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it and then just kind of see what size I want for my face. Rolled it just like so, and then I'm going to put it up to my face. So I feel like that's pretty good, and I like it. So we're gonna keep it this size. Then, since I figured out what size I wanted the mask to be, I am going to take a bra pad. Since I have bigger or smaller ones, you can definitely mess around if you have different sizes for what one you want, but it's pretty sturdy and a nice material. Now, if you don't have one of these, again, you can use a paper towel, or you could even use a washcloth like this and cut it in half and put it in the center just to have more protection over your nose and mouth. I'm gonna make sure that I tuck this part under before putting this over top. Now, for this part, I'm going to take 2 rubber bands. So I'm gonna find 2 that are stretchy, but just stretchy enough. Not too much, not too little stretch. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here, right, kind of where the main bra pad is. And then I'm gonna take this rubber band and put it here. Make sure that this is tucked in inside here and that it's nice and woven tightly. I'm just gonna tuck it a little extra, and right here you have these little things to put on your ears. Here is it like this, and to the side. Now I'm gonna go like this. So that was the first mask that I made. Super simple, super easy, and even when I breathe through it, I can definitely feel that I am protected. I feel like my face, nothing's gonna come in that, especially with the bra pad. It really gives a lot of padding right on the mouth and the nose, and I think that that's really the most important part, especially for breathing, that you're not breathing in any of the air and the virus. And yeah, I like that one. Now I'm gonna show you one if you don't have a bra pad. Any type of scarf, bandeau, this type of bandana is perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is the same thing that I did with the last one. And now, instead of putting a bra pad in the center, I'm going to be putting this sock. I have so many socks around my house that I have 0 friends to. They have no friends, and that is the best type of sock, or even a fuzzy sock. Whatever sock you have that you want to use, this is 100% clean, and I put it right here in the center. Now I'm going to, again, put this here. I'm going to make sure that this is folded, then put it over. I'm going to take 2 rubber bands. I'm gonna use the same ones that I used. I'm gonna use the same ones and put them on the side here. And then I'm going to take them and put them inside of each other. And there you go. There is another mask, completely made, perfect, and it will work for your face. Lastly, for the last mask that you can make, if you have none of these materials but only have this and or a shirt, you can just fold it just like we were folding the other ones. Go like so, and then take the two rubber bands right here, and then you're going to then do the same type of steps, tucking it in, having your mask like so, and then just putting it over your face like this. I feel like having the bra pad or the sock, I'm gonna take it off so you can talk. So I can talk. I feel like having the bra pad and the sock honestly made it feel a lot more protective than just having this, but this is better than nothing, and I highly suggest that if you can, that you just use one of these things. Also, I learned that if you have baby wipes or just Cottonelle wipes and you dry them out, you could put that as well in the inside of the mask, like right here, like I was doing with the sock and the bra pads. I feel like that is just super easy and helpful. I hope that it's helpful. I just found this stuff around my house, and always, if you even have like a swimsuit and you just want to wash it, you can always put it back in there. But for right now, I feel that these are some of the best ways that you can make a DIY mask. You could use any type of little scarf that you have, any type of bandana. I love my bandanas, and I just feel like it's such an easy and quick way to make a mask and make sure that you and your family are protected and safe, and that is the most important thing during this time. That is all my different ways for masks, what I suggest, and how I will wear masks when I go out in public. I know it's really hard to get a hold of masks. There's also so many awesome people right now who have sewing machines that are making masks. My best friend is making masks with her sewing machine, and I just think it's so awesome. I wish I had a sewing machine so I could do it, but if you do want to see me do masks that you can actually sew yourself, hand sewing with just a needle and thread, I would love to. I have so many ideas on how to and how to put different things in the inside to make sure that you're as safe as possible. Also, don't forget to like this video and comment down below for any other videos you would like to see me do. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe, because I truly love having you all here, and it means so much to me when you guys subscribe and let me know how you've been liking my videos. And I hope that wherever you are, whether it's morning, afternoon, or night, that you have or had an amazing day, and I hope that you all are healthy and safe. I'll see you in the next one.